Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. The contains function is not a built-in function in Python. However, you can achieve the same functionality using the in keyword to check if an item exists in a list or an array. Here's a tutorial on how to use the in keyword to check for an item in a list or array in Python. 1. Using in keyword. The in keyword is used to check if a value is present in a sequence, list, tuple, string, etc. In the code example above, we first create a list my_list and an array my_array, and then use the in keyword to check if certain items exist in them. 2. Using a function. If you want to encapsulate this logic into a function, you can create a simple function to check for the presence of an item in a list. In this code snippet, the check_item_in_list function takes an item and a list as parameters and returns true if the item is in the list, and false otherwise. That's how you can check for the presence of an item in a list or array in Python using the in keyword.